Hi guys, here we are moving on to interpreting line, or remember these could be called dot plots as well. And these directions here tell us that one car dealership tracked the types of vehicles sold in a week, and then we're going to answer the questions. So one of the things that I like to do is make sure that I pay attention to any keys I'm given. So you can see here it tells us that each X is equal to 3 vehicles. So what I've done is I've just counted the number of X's I have in each one of these categories and multiplied by 3. And then I wrote those numbers on the top of my X's just so that I would be easier for me when I was answering questions. My first question, what I've already answered, which type of vehicle was sold more than 21 times? And that's the SUVs. And then it says how many SUVs did the dealership sell that week? Well, I've already figured that out. That's 24. Was the 8 X's times 3 that each X stood for was 24. How many cars, sedans and coupes were sold that week? So that's these two together. So we've got 9 plus 3, which is 12. What is the absolute difference? Just means what's the difference in the number of coupes and vans sold. So we see we've got 3 coupes, we've got 12 vans sold, so 12 minus 3 is 9. Then we've got which type of vehicle was sold the most? Well, the SUVs is the mode. They were sold the most. Whoops, there were 24 SUVs. How many trucks were sold that week? Again, we've already figured that out. It was 6 times 3, which is 18. Were more sedans or vans sold? So the vans here, sedans here, we had more vans sold. What type of vehicle was sold the least? The coupes. In total, how many vehicles were sold that week by the dealership? So we would add the 9 plus the 3 plus the 24 plus the 18 plus the 12. When we do that, we would get 66 cars altogether. And how many coupes were sold? Just 3. All right, so that's page 5. Tune into the next video for page 6.